Good afternoon everyone. I am Komudi and they are my team. He's Ishant, he's Anirudh, he's Ayush and he's Nitya. Today we are representing the company Ola in Indian Startup Success Story competition. Now start. Ola names come from the Spanish word hola, which means hello. The company's mission is to build a mobility for 1 billion people. Ola is a company that provides transportation service and operates in India and other countries. What is the meaning of Ola logo? It's look like the letter O, which stand for Ola cabs. The color yellow represents the taxi service. The logo looks like a tire, which means they provide you with a taxi.
Founded 210 December. Founder Bhavish Agrawal and Ankit Bhatti. Mission building mobility for a billionaire. Global reach. Operating in 250 plus cities across India, Australia, New Zealand and the UK.
Ola Consumer, formerly Ola Cabs, is an Indian transportation company that provides ride-hailing services and operates other the businesses verticals such as financial services and the cook kitchens. It is a headquarter in Bengaluru and operates in 250 plus Indian cities. Purpose: Ola define how to delivery services, the resource to use and the performance metrics to meet. They also describes the responsibility of each support group and the process and time frame for delivering services. Who execute department or businesses function within an organization execute to Olas. For example, IIT department may execute them for specific functions such as networking or security services.
Referral program. Earn reward free rides vouchers by inviting friend by referral codes. Cab learning program. Deliver can use vehicles from the Ola Foundation. First area technology, public health, livelihoods to climate change, social to inviting. Next bill we use. Ride-hailing options. Ola Micro, Mini, Sedan, Outstation. Introduction of electric vehicles for sustainable transport. Expansion into auto rickshaws, bike, taxis and luxury rides. Milestone. Became India's largest ride-hailing service.
Financial success. FY23 performance operational profit of 250 crore, growth from EBIT, the loss of 66 crore in FY22 to profitability. The focus on innovation and scalability in mobility services. About Bhavish Agrawal. Background: born in Ludhiana, August 28, 1985. For education, BTech in computer science from IIT Bombay, Kerala. Worked in Microsoft Research, founded OlaTrip.com before Ola Cabs. Visionary leadership, launched Ola Electric and Ola Kritam.
Definition: internal agreement between teams to ensure efficient service delivery. Purpose: align internal processes to meet SLA requirements. Key elements: services offered, performance metrics, timelines for completion. SLA: service level agreement. External customer focus, defines expected service quality and delivery. Ola operational level agreement. Internal team focus, ensure coordination to achieve SLA goals.
Ola versus Sala and operational level agreement. Ola defines an interdependent relationship in support of services level agreement. Sala, the agreement describes the responsibilities of each internal support group toward to other support groups, including the process and time frame for delivery of their services.
Improves accountability, clear responsibilities for teams, streamlines processes, ensures smooth operation within organizations, enhance consistency, delivers reliable service to meet SLA standards. Some great things about Ola. First, hassle-free rides. Ola provide you with comfortable and safe rides. Second, variety of vehicles. Ola offers a range of vehicles including micro, mini, prime and lux. Third, on-time arrival. Ola ensures that you reach your destination on time. Fourth, safety. Ola prioritizes your safety with features like GSP tracking, emergency button and police verification.
Easy payment. Ola offers convenient payment option including Ola Money, credit card, debit card, and net banking. Customer supported. Ola has robot customer support system that resolve your inquiry and issues promptly. Affordable information. Ola provides convenient and affordable information, making a popular choices for real-time tracking. Ola always you to track your ride in real time, providing you with update on your driver's location and limited away time.
Headquarters. Ola is headquartered in Bangalore, India. International market. Ola operates in over 250 cities across India, Australia, New Zealand and UK. However, in April 2024, Ola announced that it is exiting of its international markets to focus on the Indian market. Parent company. Ola's parent company is ANI Technologies. Funding. Ola has received rupees 4.9 in funding and has undergone 28 funding stages. Rebranding. In August 2024, Ola rebranded itself into Ola Consumer.
Ola Electric. Manufacturing electric two-wheels. Ola Fleets Technology, India's largest fleet magnet frame. Ola Financial Services, offering micro insurance and credit-based payment. Ola Scanning, providing livelihood opportunity for youth. Ola Foods, India's largest kitchen network, offering drivers food breads.
Ola practical application covers operational needs, work request, incidents management services, maintenance, improves workflow, ensure clarity in rules and expectation. Templates, supports templates and the examples available for desired implementation.
Ola Electric. This company is an Indian electric two-wheeler manufacturer based in Bangalore. In 2023, it led the electric scooter in market in India with a 30% share.
According to an article in the core, Ola Electric core problem is that repairing their scooters requires skill and knowledge that are not readily available in the local market. Here are some other issues with Ola Electric. Battery defects. Some consumers have complained about battery defect in their Ola Electric delivered services. Some consumers have complained about delivered services in the Ola Electric, inconsistent information of Ola Electric.
According to an article in the core, reversal of warranty services, some consumers have complained about Ola Electric refusing to provide warranty services, shortage of skilled manpower. Some services center have a shortage of skilled manpower. Lack of test equipment. Some services center have a lack of test equipment. The maintenance. Some services center lack maintenance. Thank you.